Welcome to iGlobal Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, overnight the Australian dollar staged a significant course correction and turned from a bear to a bull and has actually taken further steps towards the upside after posting an outside range day but needs confirmation. At present, the resistance comes in at 75.80 and a break above there would give further scope, but seen as a sell zone around 76 figure 25. I still believe the market will struggle. And also to note is that the 60-day moving average is just around that level of 76.40, which should see initial selling also if approached. Looking towards the downside, support at this stage comes in at 75.40 and a break beneath there would negate any bullish sentiment and instead reopen the downside. First of all towards 74.75 and then back on track to 75.85. It would seem that the euro has taken also a course correction from the lows after posting a short-term base at 115.18 overnight, rallied to 116.75, and also the dollar index has did post a 7-month high of 94.96 before turning around. With the objective reached at 95 in the dollar index, I do expect to see a pullback. This in terms could see euro rally on towards 116.95.05 and above there give another 60-point rally to around 117.75. This is in the short term only a pause in the US dollar's bullish sentiment, as I feel the market will continue on to the downside and look towards the region of 112.80 figure for the euro. Well, I haven't been stopped out in dollar yen since taking initial long position around 108.45, with the overnight low still around 108.34 and staging a slight recovery now looks towards 108.80. A break above there will give further scope up towards 109.45 to 109.95. If any dips likely to be shallow, with support at this stage at 108.15 on an intraday basis. Well, the pound is showing significant potential to rise, and I believe the market is looking for a rally. I'm still, should I say, holding long positions and looking up towards 133 to 134 as an objective. As long as we don't go sub 131.86, then I still hold a long position and look for those topside targets. The gold outlook still looks poised for a challenge at this level of 13.0607. And a break above there would trigger a move up towards 12 to 24, a very bullish move as stated. Any pullback should be shallow and towards 96 to 88.91 as a base now. Silver had a good rally overnight and in this stage still looks like it can continue. And if so, we are looking to see the move through 55 and on towards $16.75.80 and reassess from there. Dips to be shallow, and I do expect to see support around 30, 35 and 15. Rounded off with oil, the market has staged a rebound in front of that uptrend at $65 a barrel. At present, I still feel the market needs further confirmation to support this move, while holding beneath the midway point at 50 on the RSI could see another turnaround to the downside and challenge this uptrend. Resistance is seen around 68.5 on the day. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.